Me and my friend did this challenge. Who's the oldest? Who asked to be friend first? Who's the youngest? Who's the twin? Who wants you to sub and like the vid? Bye guys.